Okay, this one is a follow-up video for those who decided that's a good idea to go with my advice and cross-tab their references. So remember, I wanted to cross-tab the gender, male or female, of the respondents, and question number 1, if they listen to music when they study. So this is my data here. This is the beauty of this. You can create the chart. How? This way. Create chart, and it's done automatically, and you can choose stacked columns. Sorry. Stacked columns, or you can choose bar chart, or you can choose column chart. I like this because the numbers are there. And you can put your chart settings, and you can put everything you want here: categories, don't sort, download chart, put labels, and you can always download it as Excel, and you can manipulate it later. Or you can have line chart, which I don't advise, or area chart, which is not so bad. I still like this one. Okay, stacked bar chart or stacked column chart, still your choice. And the beauty of this is that it actually gives us the whole lot of the respondents in this category and the proportion between boys and girls, okay, males and females. You can do the same. You can save the chart, you can download it, you can do the same, let's say, in this question. So you can have the replies, and you can text analyze, and here though you have to do it by yourself because it is not downloadable. So how you work on this? I think it's an easy one. I like my charts, probably that's why I say it's an easy one, but I will show you how to, and I think you will understand it's not hard. So you will enter the data. So you can write your title of your chart. It is cross tabulation. That's how it's called. Cross tabulation of gender and favorite subject while listening to music, because this is actually compiling all your data. This is your title, and you have to write here English and the gender, female and male. I'm sorry, I have to go across male. My typing is atrocious. So English, and English is 28%. We can do it percentile or respondents. I like respondents first, and then we'll see the percentage. 58 times girls, because I'm checking the female responses. Yes, I opened that. Then I will go to the males. English, and let's say art. I have a 32. Art is the second, so I'm writing art with 32, and science is the 5th. So let's see, maths is the 3rd. Maths. So you can find a tendency. You can find that girls actually listen to music. They concentrate, or they release their part of the brain. And drama is the 4th. I don't know how can you, they do homework in drama, yeah. Okay, drama. And I want you to find the correlation. We're going to discuss the correlation later. This is 24 times. And maths is, no, science is now the 5th, and science is 15 times. Science. Science is 15 times with significant difference there. Let's go and see the male recipients. I'll have 55 replies and see if they have again the same did I lost the survey monkey? Yes, I did lost it. So I'm analyzing the data. I'm going to the cross-referencing and I'm going to question 6, 55 replies of the males, and the text analysis gives me the response. Woohoo! Completely different data. So let's see if the English is there. Yes, English is still the first response with 14 males listening to English. So there is a trend. People are listening to English more when they do assignments in English. Maths is the second. Yes, 12 times. So 12 times. Boys who do art, you see, they don't listen to music. So there is a difference. So we can have, I'll have here 1%. No, 0%. It is the number of. Okay, and then chemistry is the third one, which was not here. I'll have to go back and see the chemistry in the boys. Chemistry is chemistry with the boys is the third one with 8 responses. Yes, 8. Science in general is also, sorry, I'll double click, is the fourth with 6 responses. 6 responses. Drama, it's not counted here, it is 0. So you can see a trend here. Yep. Let's go to the girls and find the chemistry in the girls. Text analysis, the chemistry in the girls, if there is such thing. Chemistry. Okay. 13 times is the 6th. So 13 times. Okay, now let's make the chart, and we're going to insert a chart, and we're going to have this relationship, and this is wrong. I have to change it. I have to change here male. It's wrong the way I did it. Sorry, I have to go back and show you how to do it properly. You see the female here and the male is here. So the way I picked up this was connected with this here. So this was connected with this. It's wrong. I have to separate it. So I'm going to undo it. And okay, let's see if this is the title. Otherwise, I have to insert my title separately. Yes, it's doing that all the time. I'm sorry. So I'll do my chart, insert chart here. Insert chart here. Okay. I will do my favorite one because, oh, the other one that gives numbers, which is also good. Probably that's the best one, which has the numbers. And because this is female, I can always change the color, and I can have the female like pinkish, more feel colors. I can have it like a female, and I can have the male a different one if you like it. Okay, and I can have all the females like this. Okay, I can have that. And here I need to insert the title. I want that. So I go in the design, in the layout, text box. So I can have that text box here, and I can highlight this, Control C. I need to put my text box again in the layout, insert text box, I draw it, and Control V. Okay, cross tabulation, gender, and okay, that will be my chart. Okay, and this is well elaborated, insightful, because you make correlations and you find relationships. Analysis of your data, substantiating your findings at the most. It needs a little bit of practice, it's not much. Your teachers can help you with this. I'm here to help you if they're busy. When you start discussing things like later, when you start discussing things like, let me bring the ink and see if I can highlight here. If you can discuss things like in English, we see the majority of the girls listen to music, whereas not as many boys, just 1/4 almost listen to this music. A trend that repeats in art and drama is a set trend. It's a tendency of more girls in the humanities listen to music compared to the boys in humanities. Let's see what happens in the boys and girls that they like maths and science and chemistry. Do they listen to music equally? Well, again, the girls, they like to listen more to music when they study compared to the boys. Nevertheless, the boys who attend these classes, or they like these classes, they do like listen to the music when they study, because that's relaxing their brain, okay, and they're thinking more logically. And then you really do in-depth analysis. I'm really here to help you if you want to do an analysis like this. My nerdiness loves doing that. I love analyzing data because I'm sick. So this was what I wanted you to see, and what really the data, if you do them properly, they can give you the A, and they can go to in-depth analysis. Okay, I'm going to post this too, and that's it. Thank you.